दूसरा S1K S1K In my entire life, I never had so much attention on me. So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going for a short spin. We are going for a shoot after a very long time. It's been like almost a month that I am preparing to go for a shoot, and then this and that is happening, and we are cancelling the plan basically. So finally, all my friends are ready. Not all the friends are ready, but half of them are went to the Marines and half of them are coming to shoot. So yeah, let's have a small fun. I'm getting a call. You can note that I'm not wore gloves today. हेलो अरे मैं जा रहा शूट पे
किधर? मैं मरीनलाइंस पे।
हाँ तो पीछे से रास्ते से आना इधर शूट के लिए कॉटन ग्रीन जा रहे हैं अरे अभी मेरे दोस्त को बोला मैं अपन शूट को जाते हैं सब लोग अभी वो सब मूड बना के आए शूट के लिए हाँ ठीक है मैं पूछता हूँ इनको ये अगर बोले अरे दोस्त भी है ना उनको कैसे बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं हाँ उनको वही पूछता हूँ जाते हैं अपन मरीन्स अगर वो बोले चले जाते हैं हाँ उनको शूट भी करना है रे इसलिए मेरे को भी करना है ऑफ कोर्स अच्छा ठीक है मैं पूछता हूँ तेरे को फ़ोन करके बोलता हूँ फिर हाँ चल As I said, my half friend have went to the Marines and they are only calling me and now I am confused. That's what happens when you become a middle person of two different groups. Most probably I will prefer to go for a shoot because of course the content or my Insta fam. And to go Marines is a good choice as well, but oh my god man. Cruel person man, cruel person. Never mislead the chick like that. And I even forgot to get a extra battery with me. Like I can go home still and still get to shoot extra content. क्या करूँ यार? Man, this situation reminds me of J. Cole Middle Child song.
In the middle of two generations, I'm little bro and big bro all at once.
Now I have to go home to get extra battery again. यार.
तुम्हारे यार.
बाबा किती वेळ? एक नंबर. पाठच्या रोडने जावे ना? पाठच्या रोडने जावे ना? हाँ. So now we are leaving to Marines. We will meet them and then we go for a shoot. It just I revved to the 3000 RPM and it already gave a pop bang. If you guys heard that or not, I don't know. But yeah, हिंदी में बोलने गए तो पटाखे फोड़ रही है बाइक. So finally our two friends came. One name is Pranav, another one name is Aman. I will give their Instagram ID in the description so you guys can follow them and see our stories about how we going to shoot and all. They keep posting with me. हाँ again? इतना क्या पटाखे फोड़ रही है भाई? Like I like these pops and bangs, but still. Woohoo! Man, I love this rush. Although I'm not riding that fast because I'm not sure about these roads yet, but still. The exhaust note is just giving a compliment on my ride. आई है ना हमारे Oh, these guys are going with me at right hand side. I just hope. I've forgotten how to go Marinelines from these lanes. I never saw so confused. Lafda? I was also confused. Signal ever. When they shown 10 second, I thought 10, 9, 8, 7. अरे यहाँ fire है. This guy is on fire for sure. अरे why he is against him?
Hello.
That Wagner guy was against him. I really got scared for a second. But अभी चलता है. Sort out हो गया सब. हाँ इकडनं सर. अरे नाही इकडनं जायचं. नाही इकडनं सरळ जायचं मग लेफ्ट आणि मग राईट. अरे तो होता ना हॉर्नेट वाला बघितला मागासा तो त्याला शिव्या खाल्ला होता वॅगनर वाला. हा माहिती आहे. काय माहिती काय झालं. जस्ट टाइमपास. इकडनं राईट. I guess these guys are feeling awkward because I wore vlogging setup today and they're going to show their face. I can understand that. Even when I first time went to the Axor, क्या आला? तो मेला बंद है वाटतं. There are two types of people comes to the Marinelines in the morning. One is for a morning walks and other one is us. Came here just to room and meet some old friends. Bye.
Bye.
Huh? What? That bus just went without looking at the red signal. ते लोक दिसतात का बघ. राहुलची गाडी दिसते का बघ. राईट साइडलाच ना. Man, there are so many bikes, but where is अपना राहुल वाले भैया? These guys are those people who sing at Marinelines in the morning. I guess so. I've seen them on Instagram. In some moment, you guys going to see one of my best friend. He must be roaming here only somewhere. अरे भाई, अपने बंदे गए किधर? Hayabusa S1K and S1K, triple S1K man. S1K. चल तिकडे. बोलते भाई तू हम मालूम है देखो बहुत टाइम से फॉलो करता हूँ रे. So here are we guys. I will talk with them and see you in a while.
Been a school them from when me in a khaki shot. Liverpool couldn't test the way me raw sit up quick draw. Him drop and can't get up. Him not fast enough for my problem that you never solve. Send for the Dan race for a firestorm cause I turn into a monster. Ready for the war. Better with your flag. None of them boy they no bad.
Crazy ride man, crazy ride. So much crowd, man. What a beautiful day, man. It really felt like I am in Kerala and everybody just loved the rave. Cotton green lao ya. Now we are going for shoot finally. Yeah. Man, such a crazy fun I had right now. I can't express it. Ultimate fun, ultimate. The day I was looking for to play with my exhaust in such a howling crowd finally happened. Now we are heading to our location for a shoot. Finally, in my entire life, I never had so much attention on me. Of course, it was not just for me. There were many bikers around us. But yeah, if you like such content, like see a crowdy people around me and all, do let me know in the comments. So I will plan for something like this soon again. Beta, Baju. This location seems good. Like nobody is here except this dog, who is going to park on us soon, I guess.
क्या किया यार तुम लोग ने, क्या मजाक किया?
ये लोकेशन चलेगा, ये लोकेशन चलेगा ना, शॉर्ट है, कोई नहीं है. Finally you guys will see how we all do shoot. कैसा करूँ? ना? सिनेमैटोग्राफर ओपी. अच्छा. Do you know 90% of the shoots we both were almost unprepared, me and Musafir. Most of the time we just shoot random shots and then work on the editing time. We're going to do most stupid thing. I don't want to fall in there, but that's true.
अरे यार
Me and Willie. Not possible here at least. ऐक असं ना असं वरनं असं पॅनिंग घे असं खाली आणि मी असं जाऊन बसतोय असं
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है
people who know, people who don't know. Damn. Follow him on Instagram. His name is Pranav. Our two friends are waiting for us there. We'll shoot some pictures and videos, which you will see in Instagram soon. And yeah, I'm super thirsty right now. But do let me know. Did you like our latest vlog, and what do you like the most in this video? And I will see you in next video. Do like, share, subscribe. See you very soon. Goodbye.
Another one.
नहीं भाई
you want to drag
नो सीगी वीक